TFHSS Tube Flow Half Sphere Surface. This is a prototype of the tool. What we're working on right now is development of quality surfaces. Quality surfaces leads to quality solids. Currently, we're just grabbing a 3D sketch with a series of flow lines that sit within a rectangular box. They're then mapped to the surface, including their 3D deviation. There is a little crimping around the corners, so each of the four corners of the rectangle are mapped to essentially four corners of a hemisphere. I'm hoping that this is within an acceptable tolerance. Let us know what you think about this tool. Thank you.